So in this video we are going to learn about button control in SwiftUI. So what is button control? Button control is a control which is used to design our user interface, and that the basic use for the basic use of this button control in our user interface to interact to execute or trigger some action as user uh, touch it or press the button or user click on that button. So uh, on the touch of user we need to perform some certain task. Okay, so we'll create first a basic button for that. Button button with action. So action means uh, action action mean what? So what happen if user tap on this? So I just wanted to print that you tapped on login. Similarly, we just need to set the title for this. Okay, uh, to set the title, we have to take the text. We have to also include text control as well. Okay, so let's type it as uh, login. So now we have a basic button. So as we run the application, we will have a very basic button in our on our screen in center. Okay, as we click every time, it will show that uh, you tapped on login button. Okay, so now let's suppose I just wanted to apply some styling on this button. Okay, so for that we'll apply some styling as well. Okay, okay, so let's suppose the background color, I just wanted to set some background color. Okay, color dot yellow. Okay, then after I just wanted to apply some padding. Okay, run the application. Okay, we need to apply this padding above the background. So this is how we can apply the padding and background. The padding applied whatever the area we now uh, we have the areas, so that is applied due to padding. So and then after, if let's suppose I just wanted to apply the font color as a white. Okay, dot white, and then the application. And even if you don't want to run, just resume the application, you will have the output. As similarly we can set stylish font as well. Font dot font like large title. Okay, so it will show the uh, font in font title in the form of some larger than usual. Okay, so this is how we can simple design a button and also apply some styling as well. Let's suppose if you want to apply a border, so we can also apply border as well. Okay, color dot red, and the width should be 3. Okay, and resume. So now we can say that we have a border as well in our button also. So and let's suppose we want to apply some corner radius for this. I just wanted to apply 20 corner radius. So as you can see that the corner radius has been applied here also. So this is how we can implement simple button application in our SwiftUI. So let's suppose I want provide some more customization. Okay, so let's run in device, and whatever the UI we are getting in review section, similar uh, UI we are also getting in our device as well. Okay, so let's suppose this is the basic design. Now we want to apply some custom image and text as well. Okay, for that we have to take some image with suppose system. Okay, the name I just want to show you the location. Okay, location, and run the application or resume here as well. So we will have the icon of this location icon uh, on button. So as you tap on this button, still the action is triggered. Action has tapped here. And so, uh, st- as we are clicking on this button, this action section is executing. Okay, and similarly as we apply some styling on text, here also we can apply some styling as well, like padding. Okay, so we have padding. Similarly background color, for color dot rate, let's rate. Okay, and set foreground color. For this I just want to show the this icon should be in the form of white, not in blue. So if it will be in white format, so we'll have some more visibility. So yeah, and now I want to increase the size of this button. So similarly either we can use we can apply via this font dot large, and we have the icon. If you want to include some text, so we can include text as well. Okay, location. So I think we might have to apply outside. Yep. So if you want to apply individually, so we can apply for image and text, because this image is separate control, and this text is separate control. Okay, if you want to apply for entire control, so you can apply these things outside of this. So just apply every styling after this closing brackets. And if you want to individually apply, so you can apply individual for image and individual for text. So this is how we can implement a basic button for the uh, basic button in our Swift UI. Similarly, if you want to we want to execute some function, so we just implement function add numbers. Okay, so which will take a two parameter, like num1, which will be of type of int. Similarly number 2, which will be again a type of int. What it will do, it will just add these two numbers. Okay, and like for result type int equal to num1 plus num2. Okay, what we'll do, just will print the result here for testing purpose. We'll execute this function in the section of uh, action area. Okay, and we'll pass 4 and 6. Run the application. Yep. So 4 and 6 is when we perform addition of these two variables, so it will be equal to 10. This is how we can design a basic button with simple UI as well as with custom image as well. And if you want to execute any functions on click of this button, so pass that function in our action section of this button.